What's relevant in the world of sports is to understand the content that is being delivered. The passion, the joy, the enthusiasm, the moment of tears that we can experience on a pitch, this is something that needs to be brought to the audience.
Today, the newest generation is spoiled. They want more. One of the beauties about today's technology that we use, as well as our clients, is that we enable our client to distribute everything. You can see the metadata, you can see statistics. You want to follow a certain camera angle, we will offer it.
The main demand from our customer is to distribute their story, to get it everywhere with the shortest latency in a very high quality. We have our team from Singapore to America, so we are here for the customer 24/7 around the clock.
We provide a complete end-to-end distribution of sports and live events content from the production truck to the content owner's facility and to the end user, both in the business-to-business models and the business-to-consumer markets.
I'm Susanna Mendel-Mantello. I'm the VP of Strategic Accounts for Sports and Events.
I'm Shmuel Gitaki. I'm a Senior Sales Director at SES, Sport and Events Unit.
My name is Julia Resnick and I run the Sports and Events Project Management and Business Operation teams.
I'm Michele Gosetti, Head of Sales for Sports and Events at SES, and this is Close Up with Sports.